I was about to drink my coffee and I just brushed my teeth, and I don't want you guys to see like coffee on my teeth while I'm filming this video. So we're gonna set this down until the end of the video. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So if you clicked on today's video, it's probably because you want to know what is the best option for whitening your teeth at home. So today I'm going to be comparing Crest whitening strips to Smile Brilliant. So without further ado, let's just get into today's video. Last week's video was a Zoffel haul, and so anyways, I got this adorable sweater from them and like tons of other fun clothes. Maybe I should zip this up a little higher. Alright, anyway, so I need to give you a little backstory so you understand how I have the ability to compare these two, okay? So, not this past Thanksgiving, but like a Thanksgiving before, I tried out Crest whitening strips. This last Thanksgiving, this company called Smile Brilliant reached out to me and they said, hey, not will you sponsor our product, but would you like to try our product out and then share it with your YouTube audience, your experience with our product? And I said, yeah, I'd love to do that. I don't have any obligation to say specific things about Smile Brilliant, but I'm actually so excited to share with you my, I guess, observations between the two different teeth whitening options. Crest whitening strips, literally it's like $40 to $50 on Amazon. You can get them at Walmart too if you want. What they are is they're these like little strips that you apply to like your canine teeth, is that what that's called? All the way to your front teeth. And so it only covers, when you smile, those front teeth. I filmed a review video about them, everything you need to know about them, what I did and how much I really liked them. But one of the things I really wanted that Crest whitening strips didn't have was the ability to whiten all of my teeth, not just the front. I wanted the back whitened. I wanted when I opened my mouth that the top of my teeth are white too. I didn't want anything really yellow in my mouth. I wanted to be able to reach all my teeth. So the way Smile Brilliant works is they send you these really cute like teeth inserts. I'll explain that all in a second, but then you put your gel inside the teeth inserts and you put it in your mouth, so then you're able to literally access all the different parts of your teeth. I really like that about Smile Brilliant because that's what I was wanting to, you know, be able to reach the side parts right there, excuse me. Now I'm gonna break down how Smile Brilliant works and how much it costs, okay? But before I do that, I have a giveaway for you guys. Smile Brilliant has decided to give away to you guys, my subscribers, your own Smile Brilliant whitening kit completely free, okay? So if you want to be able to enter that, all you need to do is be subscribed. And then number two, you need to click the link down below to enter the giveaway, okay? I'll have all the information down below, and that's all I have to say about that. The whitening kit's worth is, drumroll, $149. So that is an amazing gift to win. Now if you're watching this and you're like, there's no way I can afford a $149 kit, okay? Let me explain to you why this is something you might want to invest in compared to Crest whitening strips. Also, the $149, that's paying for the things that you need to start off. Then once you have your teeth inserts and your container and all that stuff like that, then you don't have to continue to pay $149, say like 3 years from now you want to re-whiten your teeth. All you have to do is get more of the gel to be able to put in your teeth insert. When you sign up for Smile Brilliant, you get this box, okay? This box is sent to you and it has lots of little fun goodies. Inside you have instructional manuals, which is great with pictures because we all want pictures when we're trying to understand what in the world we're doing with whitening our teeth. So pretty much you have 3 steps. You have number 1, you have to make your dental impressions, okay? So those are the little inserts that you'll be putting in your teeth that hold the gel. Then number 2, when you get those shipped to you, and I'll show you that, you have to put in your whitening gel, okay? And so the whitening gel sits in your teeth for either 45 minutes to 3 hours. I appreciate that they say you have the range of 45 minutes to 3 hours depending on how like sensitive your teeth are. Now, speaking of sensitive teeth, what's so cool about Smile Brilliant is they say more than 60% of Americans have naturally sensitive teeth. So they created a desensitizing gel. So pretty much the gel is a fluoride infused gel that's nourishing your teeth but also remineralizing. Anyways, I don't specifically understand the exact science behind it because I haven't studied it in depth, but it's the ability to put back on some of the minerals that the teeth whitening gel ended up taking off to try to get the stains off, okay? You only leave it on like 10 to 15 minutes, and then when you take out your teeth inserts, you actually don't brush your teeth after that. You leave the desensitizing gel residue on your teeth because it's literally just like a little shield. And by the way, it doesn't taste bad, it tastes like sugar. So 10 out of 10, love that. I do have to praise Crest whitening strips for the fact that you don't really taste it when it's in your mouth. The whitening gel, if you get it in your mouth, it does not taste good at all. But I will give you tips and tricks for how to not get in your mouth because I learned the hard way. With the lady, when she was giving me these, she would tell me like, let me know if you need any tips and tricks. And I was like, I'm not gonna ask for any because I wanna figure this out the hard way so that I know from experience how to help you guys. So inside, you have a base paste, which is blue. Sometimes it comes out like really easily. Other times it doesn't because I don't know why. Why am I still having a hard time getting this out? Then you're gonna roll it into a little ball is what they recommend. By the way, this is all in the step-by-step manual with pictures, so we love that. Then you're gonna grab your white paste. You're gonna roll the white into a ball. Then what you're gonna do is you're going to literally put them together. Also, this stuff dries kind of fast, so you kind of gotta hurry. So anyways, so after you've finished this, let me just go ahead and finish. You wanna make sure all the white streaks are gone. You don't wanna marble the paste. So once you have your blue paste, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna just roll it into a little bit of a worm. You know how when you like played with Play-Doh as a kid, you like would roll worms? Maybe it's just me. You're gonna get your little impression. You're gonna kind of set it into the impression. You're gonna try to press it down just a wee bit so that you can have a nice clean bite into this impression. And then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna put it in your mouth and you're gonna leave it for 2 minutes. I apologize, I will not be able to talk to you once I do this. So here we go. Good, good, good. I'm just gonna leave it for 2 minutes. So see you in 2 minutes. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Right now.
A few minutes later.
I washed my hands. So, here's how you take it out. Wow, mine has so much spit on it. Let me just swallow my spit for a second. The insert literally has my teeth imprints, but it also has my gum imprints so that they can raise the inserts up above your gums. You also want to do the bottom. You're going to do the exact same thing, except you're going to face the barcode down instead of facing it up. If you're freaked out all of a sudden when you're trying to get this out and you can't get this out, you just need a different angle. So when I first did this, I was like, oh my word, the paste is stuck to my teeth. My teeth are ruined forever. Guys, no, you're fine. It's fine. Just calm down. All you do is just, you got to kind of push at a different angle than maybe trying to peel that way. Now, the instructions say, oh, you're supposed to hold in place for 3 minutes. This is why you guys read the directions. I have not done this for like a couple of months, so I forgot. So then they tell you to let the impression sit for 30 minutes, and then they tell you to rinse them with cool water, and then you're gonna mail it to them. At the bottom of your box, you have this black bag that they put in there. You're gonna drop both your inserts inside the black bag, okay, after they've dried for 30 minutes and you rinse them with cool water. And then you have this little card that you're just gonna fill out. It has your address, your name, your email. This is just so that when they get your impressions, they're gonna make your little teeth inserts, and then they're gonna know where to mail them back. If you don't put that in there, they have no idea who these teeth inserts belong to. They just literally have a random package. From there, once you get your dental impressions, you are going to put in the whitening gel. Now, fun fact about me, I am actually allergic to fluoride. So I use a toothpaste that is fluoride free. The instructions always say do not brush your teeth with toothpaste before you do the whitening treatment. When I've talked to my friends when they've done their whitening treatments for like the Crest whitening strips, or when I was watching YouTubers about their Smile and Brilliant experiences when I was researching it, it's like people were brushing their teeth with their toothpaste, and it specifically tells you not to use toothpaste. Now, here is, I believe from my research, why. It's because most commonly fluoride is in people's toothpaste, and so that chemical is then reacting or doing something with the whitening gel that is not benefiting your whitening process or what you're wanting as the end result. So because I don't have a fluoride toothpaste, I would brush my teeth with my toothpaste because it doesn't have fluoride in it. So what they do recommend you doing even before you do your impressions, like I just did with the thing, but I just brushed my teeth, is to brush your teeth with like water. So to get all that stuff out of there, and they tell you to floss, okay? So that you do get all that residue and grime off, but you're not putting chemicals on your teeth from your toothpaste. You're allowing the whitening to have that moment. Here are my tips and tricks. When you put in the whitening gel, you want to put it at the front part of the teeth inserts, okay? Not like on the side of it, but at the bottom front part. This is just so that when you put it in your teeth, the liquid is pushing up to the top of your teeth. It's so important to just do a thin strip of gel. I'm speaking from experience. At the very beginning, I saw that thin strip of gel in my like teeth insert when I put it in there, and I was like, that is not enough to whiten my teeth. We need more. So I took it out and I added another thing and I put it in. Guys, the gel got everywhere in my mouth. It got into my gums. It makes your gums sensitive when you get it in your gums. So like that's where you're just supposed to follow the directions and use a thin line. I promise you it's whitening all your teeth. Second of all, as soon as you're taking that out of your mouth, do not spit. you are going to want to spit, but when you spit, guess what happens? Your saliva forms on your tongue and you taste the whitening gel, and it is disgusting. Do not taste the whitening gel, okay? I promise you, you can get away with not tasting it. What I did was I have my toothbrush ready, I have my toothpaste on there, and then you're just gonna brush your teeth and get all that gel off, and then you taste the toothpaste and not the gel. Also, to get the best results, you do this whitening process in the evening time. The reason being that you don't reintroduce any stains to your teeth. Also, it gives the ability for this desensitizing gel to just sit on your teeth throughout the night, and it gives the ability for your saliva and this gel to rehydrate your teeth for any of the, I guess, hydration that was lost during the whitening process when it was stripping your teeth of the stains. So that's what they recommend. I do have to say, I barely ever did it at night. I almost always did it in the morning because for me, the best times to whiten my teeth were when I was editing YouTube videos. I usually did almost an hour, and yet still my teeth got so white, you could do it 3 hours. Anyways, so I'm doing that, and then I would probably take them out and I would eat lunch. So I'm just letting you know that's kind of what I did, and it worked amazingly great. They're just saying if you do want to, I guess, elevate the teeth whitening experience, there are things that you can do to even take the teeth whitening to higher levels. So here's how you put them in. You just pop them in, and then you pop in the bottom one. If any of you guys have had retainers, I'm sure you know how this works. I don't know about you guys, but for me, my bottom teeth are prone to having a lot more, I guess, stains on them than my top teeth. So what I did was actually like 2 or 3 times, instead of whitening both, I just whitened my bottom teeth. I'm not gonna compare the pros and cons, okay? So let me scoot back enough so I can edit on the screen my 2 columns here. Pro of Crest whitening strips is cheaper. Con, it's more expensive. Con is that the whitening strips do not access all the teeth. Pro, it accesses all parts of the teeth. In these, you get 3 of the whitening syringes, and each syringe has about 4 uses. Crest whitening strips you can only keep in 30 minutes, but Smile Brilliant, you can keep it in for up to 3 hours. Con of Crest whitening strips, there's no desensitizing gel. I had to actually use a sensitive like toothpaste to help me desensitize my teeth because they were kind of sore. Pro, there's a desensitizing gel, so that's another pro. Pro for Crest whitening strips, you could order it on Amazon, you could get it prime shipping 2 days, and you can have the ability to just whiten your front teeth ASAP. Con, this does take a little bit of time because you have to get your little kit, you have to do your impressions, you do have to mail the impressions, and then you have to get them back, and then you can begin your whitening process. I hope that helps you decide. I do understand that this might be more expensive for people, so below I have a discount code for those of you who have watched this and you're like, okay, I think that's something I want to try out. I do think right now because of Corona, we got time. So if you guys want to invest in your teeth, I do recommend it. I think for me, when I was able to get my teeth whiter like 2 years ago when I started my teeth whitening journey, I do love how much of an impact it has on me feeling confident and beautiful. Thanks for sticking it out to the end with me. You're the real MVP. I will see you next Thursday at 7 if you're subscribed with your bell turned on for another video.